Tra-la-la, tra-la-la. Bombadiro-ro-cro.
Now let's create a segment of all the residents of Meadow Hill Council. So this is Customer Insights Journeys app, and on the left hand side you can see there's a segments table. Let's click New Segment. Give it a name, Meadow Hill Residents. And as all the residents are contact in the system, so I will pick the target audience as a contact. So I want to create a segment of all the residents of Meadow Hill because I want to send them an email that during Christmas break, the bin collection would be on a Saturday, which is 27th of December instead of 25th of December. So that's the communication I want to send them. And the first step is to create a segment. Now I want to pick all of the contacts that are active in the system. So I have two options. Either I can expand this contact table here on the right hand side and look for the status field by scrolling down. Or the other option is just to search here. I will search. So we have got status field here that I will be using because I want to pick all of the contacts who are active in the system. I'll save this copy. And now I want to pick only Meadow Hill residents because in the system there might be people from other suburbs as well or other countries. So I will look for city. So in the contact table, I will look for address 1 city because this is the primary address for all of the contacts. I will add this attribute to my existing group and I will say Meadow Hill. You might have noticed that there is an AND condition here. You can include OR conditions, branching, multiple conditions in the segment. It depends on your segment and the nature of the journey campaign. Now the segment is saved. Let's have a look on the estimate sample. We have only one member. Let's view sample of included members, Amanda. I will save the segment here and I will show you why Amanda's name is included in this segment. Amanda's contact record is active as we can see, and in the city attribute, Meadow Hill is mentioned, which sits perfectly in the segments. I'll go back to my segment. Now my segment is ready and I will publish it. The way we publish it, we click Ready to Use button on the top right side, and now this segment is ready to be used in a journey.